Thank you for joining us today. My name is Ellen Lenardi, and I'm the Chief Product and Technology Officer at Synctera. The fintech innovation is significantly reshaping our financial industry. That's why we're all here at Finovate, where innovation meets opportunity. Today, I'm going to talk about how at Synctera we work closely with our bank to help stay competitive in this rapidly evolving market. Now, one way that banks have been able to tap into this fintech growth is by supporting embedded banking. This is where the financial services are seamlessly integrated into the fintech product. Now, I understand that might evoke mixed emotion, some excitement around the opportunity and growth that might come with it, but also anxiety around compliance, control, and cost. Now, you're not alone in feeling that way, especially in the era where every step is closely watched by our regulators. But what if I tell you there's a way for you to actually embrace the fintech innovation without necessarily compromising on your control, without requiring a massive amount of increase on your headcount, and without blowing up your cost? So our platform offers that possibility. Synctera has a set of simple yet powerful API that allows our fintech to integrate with bank without requiring an integration into the core banking. But we don't stop there. Every step of our process is underpinned with three key concepts, which is bank visibility, robust compliance, and risk management. So let me show you how working with our platform allows you to take all that complexity into something much more manageable. Let's start with the fintech profile. So at the beginning of your relationship as a sponsor bank with the fintech, it is really important that you understand the business that you're getting into. This means more than having a conversation with your bank and the fintech. This means that you need to actually have all the information documented, centrally stored, and always up to date. Our fintech profile allows you to have an overview of all the comprehensive information related to the fintech. Information such as what line of business are they in? How long have they been in business? Understanding information such as who's in their team. And also, very importantly, the financial condition. How are they funded? Who are they funded by? How much runway do they have? And what is their user financial and growth projection? And then finally, it is really important that you understand the compliance posture that your fintech partner has. Do they have a chief compliance officer? What do they think about KYC? How do they do their customer marketing? Now, these are all information that's not just relevant day one when you're engaging with your fintech, but something that continually has to be updated. This is where our monitoring schedule comes in. We have a capability that allows you to automate a schedule to reach out to the fintech and get the latest updates into your system, so you will always have the up-to-date information regarding their business accessible on your fingertip. Now, this level of transparency and visibility is not only critical for the fintech level, but also for every single businesses and consumer that they bring into your ecosystem. This is our customer listing. Within here, you can see all the information related to a customer. Now, don't worry, this is all fake data, so I'm not exposing any customer information. But let's take a look at Jane Doe here. So here you can see all the information related to this customer. I can tell from here, it looks like their checking account is under a restricted phase. Let's see what's going on. Within KYC, I can now see that there's been a verification attempt, and this customer is actually going to require manual review. Without the appropriate tool, this might mean email exchange going back and forth, disjointed communication, paper trail that's really, really easy to lose when audit comes around. But with Synctera, you don't have to worry about that. A case will automatically be created on behalf of your team so that your compliance team can take the next step action easily through the same interface. Let's take an example of this one. It looks like Jane did not actually acknowledge the KYC disclosure. So what I'm going to do is actually add that to the note and say, please follow up with customer, update the missing customer acknowledgement, save that note, and then wait until there's actually a notification back to me that this is ready for my review. Now, our case management system goes far beyond the management of KYC alone. It is essentially the central communication hub for your compliance team. It allows them to look at all kinds of different cases AML-related investigation, business alert, customer card reviews, maybe a customer dispute, a marketing material review, and so much more. This allows you to streamline the compliance management and enhance the communication. And most importantly, it gives you the paper trail and visibility every step of the way. Now, finally, as your program grows, it is really important that you understand how this business line is performing. The dashboard on our console allows you to easily get an overview of the information related to how this business program is going. And if you're interested in actually looking into more details, you have the ability to go into our Insight. Insight is a data analytic tool that allows you to look at all the different information within your banking system. This includes information on the overview of the program, as well as information that will help you ease your payment operation task. Reports on card settlement that helps with the daily reconciliation and payment operations, as well as many information related to AML, different kind of compliance measure and metrics that will be helpful for your team in order to be able to manage the program powerfully. So here's the key takeaway. In order to innovate with confidence, your team needs the right platform and the tool to maintain control and oversight. With no core integration required, our platform is provided to facilitate an effective communication and collaboration between sponsor bank and their fintech. The Synctera platform provides sponsor banks with a central operating system for their end-to-end embedded banking programs. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy our demo. And do come visit us at our demo table, and we look forward to helping you with your growth. Thank you.